Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how we can create a Gmail account or a Google account. So first of all, head over to your browser. In my case, I will be using Brave. At the top search bar, simply type in Google account sign up page. Now as you do that, you're going to have to scroll all the way below. Then you will see create a Google account computer. You're going to have to simply tap onto it. Now as you tap onto it, you will see a page like this. Here under step 1, under choose a Google account type, select if it's going to be a personal or maybe a managed business. So in my case, I would like to go for a personal account. Here type in your first name, your last name, which is completely optional, then tap next. Then select your month, then mention your day and also your year. And mention your gender, then select next. So you can either select these or select rather not say. Now as you do that, this is what your Gmail address will look like. And if you would like to create your own, tap on create your own Gmail address, but you're going to have to type in something that is not already taken. I'm going to go with this one right here, then tap on next. Now this is the page where you create yourself a strong password. It says create a password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So once you type in your password, confirm your password and then tap on next. Now as you tap on next, next, and next, you will be able to create yourself a Google account. And once you have created a Google account, all you have to do is head over to your Gmail application. You will see your Google account right there, and likewise, your Gmail account will also be created. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.